Alright, come over here. Oh, we're getting a 90 something here. It says it's 2 inches down, but it's not a big target. I could read 90 something. Right there. It says it's 4 inches down. Alright, let's give it a shot here. Right here. I don't know. I think it's bigger than I think it is. But a 90 something, it's like, wow, what is that? 93. I'm curious. Alright. Better not be in the down here. Alright, it's in the plug. Oh my gosh. What did I just find here? Oh my gosh, this is a 50-cent piece. Oh, that is awesome. That is awesome. What year is that? Not that old, 1978. This is the second one I found. Found one in the stand lot, 72. 1972. Wow, it's been in the ground for a while. It was right there. So that was probably, right, it was in here. So that was about, oh, let's see, 4.5 inches or so. Let's put it back there. I'm just curious. That's where it was. And that's a surprising signal. That was really high. I was thinking maybe a bunch of aluminum or something, real big gob of it. Yeah. Let's see, I have it on 15. Would I have picked it up on 10? Yeah, 10 would have picked it up. Would I have picked it up on 25? Maxing it out here. It's kind of jumpy, but I probably would have. Says it's 4 inches down there. Cool. Alright, I will take that. That made my day. That made my day. Where did I put it way down here? Oh, if I can get it out, there you go. That is so cool. I didn't kill it with my knife, which I love. Alright. Was it reading up at? 93. Oh, it's so awesome. Woohoo! Happy tired. Carry on, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this, and I'll get some more of this park. It's doing pretty good right now.